Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 2 without needing a physical data disk. Many players prefer the convenience of digital gaming. The easiest way to achieve this is by purchasing the game directly from your console's online storefront. This method completely bypasses the need for any physical media, including the data disk, making installation and starting your adventure much simpler and quicker. It's a seamless experience. To get started, simply navigate to your console's digital store, like the PlayStation Store or Xbox Games Store. Once there, search for Red Dead Redemption 2. After locating the game, proceed with the purchase using your chosen payment method. The download will then begin automatically. Remember, the game file is quite large, often exceeding 100 gigabytes, so a reliable internet connection is key. Before you start your download, it is vital to confirm you have enough storage space on your console. Red Dead Redemption 2 is a massive game, typically requiring well over 100 gigabytes of free storage. Additionally, a strong and consistent internet connection is absolutely essential. This will ensure a smooth download process, preventing interruptions and getting you into the game faster. Choosing the digital route offers several fantastic benefits. You will never need to worry about finding or swapping discs, as the game is always installed and ready to play on your console. This means instant access whenever you want to dive into the Wild West. Furthermore, digital purchases often allow for preloading, letting you play the moment the game officially launches. It's pure convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.